Morning, first class children. Very good morning to all. I hope everyone is ready with the class. Are you all ready for the class? Okay, fine. So let me know that. Are you able to copy down the notes which I had sent to you in the message? It is easy, no? Now you can do it. అందరికి ఈజీగా ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు మెసేజ్లో పంపిస్తే కూర్చొని రాసుకుంటున్నారు అందరూ. Okay, very good children. I hope everyone is working out with the work, isn't it? Okay, so do it very carefully and write very neatly. Okay, very soon we will collect your classroom notebooks for the correction also. Is it clear now? So better everyone should has to complete the notes. Okay children, and now we are going for which phase now? Only for the oral drilling. Okay, ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేసాం టీచర్ మీకు అందరికి, మీరు ఎవ్వరు ఏం రాసుకోవడం వద్దు. Just sit quietly and listen to your class. Okay, listening means you have to also, we are going to start the oral drilling practice. When teacher will explain on the board, when I am teaching on the board, when I am giving the oral drilling practice for you all, please you should have to say along with your teacher. Okay, are you all ready? So for this lesson we have only 3 question answers. Okay, so only those 3 question answers is the class work for this lesson. Okay, so be ready all of you children. Get ready with the science class of notebook and don't copy down. Just get ready for the oral drilling practice. Okay, now come on say. Now first question already teacher had written on the board. Okay, come on say, how many parts are there in our body? H-O-W, how. Many, M-A-N-Y, many. Parts, P-A-R-T-S, parts. How many parts are there in our body? Okay, mana body lo enni parts undi? Only 1 or 5 or 2 or 10? What is that? No, we have so many body parts, isn't it? So the answer is, come on write children, get ready. Sorry I was habit to say writing only for oral. Okay, come on say, we have many parts in our body. We have many parts in our body. Okay, so we have only 1 or 2 parts? No, we have many parts in our body. Is it clear children now? So how many parts are there in our body? We have many parts in our body. Okay, name any, second question, name any 5 parts of our body. Name any 5 parts of our body. Okay, you are all ready? So many parts are there, but we are going to select only 5 parts. Okay, yes, come on say, head. Okay, nose, mouth, eyes. Okay, now the next one is leg. Okay, so we have written only 5: head, nose, mouth, eyes and leg. We can write so other parts also, that is your wish. మీకు తెలుసు కదా వేరే బాడీ పార్ట్స్ ఏమో, అవన్నీ కూడా మీరు రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, ఇవే రాయని కాదు, వేరే 5 బాడీ పార్ట్స్ కూడా మీరు రాసుకోవచ్చు చూడండి. ఓకే, కమ్ ఆన్ రైట్ ద థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ నౌ. గెట్ రెడీ విత్ oral drilling practice. Name any 5 activities. Name any 5 activities. Activities. Name any 5 activities that our legs help us to do. That our legs help us to, that our legs help us to do. Okay children, now come and say all of you Hold your hands and get ready with your teacher. Come on, say, how many parts are there in our body? Yes, we have many parts in our body. Name any 5 parts of our body. Head, nose, you can add ears also, okay? Mouth, eyes, leg, hands you can write, chest is there, stomach is there. So any 5 parts you can write, but it should be, your spelling should be, it should be correct, okay? And you should have to learn with the spellings. H-E-A-D, head. N-O-S-E, nose. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. E-Y-E-S, eyes. L-E-G, leg. Okay. So first question again. How many parts are there in our body? We have many parts in our body. Is it clear? Come on, say all of you. We have many parts in our body. Example what? So many are there. Hands, legs, head, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, tongue, teeth. Isn't it? Stomach, abdomen, every thigh you can say. Isn't it? So many body parts are there. Instead of writing all the names, we are writing simple answer is many. అర్థమవుతుందా? అన్ని బాడీ పార్ట్స్ రాయడం అవసరం లేదు. మెనీ అంటే చాలా ఉందనే మాట మీరు చెప్పేశారు ఈ ఆన్సర్లో. ఓకే, అర్థమైందా? నెక్స్ట్ వన్. నేమ్ ఎనీ 5. ఏదైనా ఒక 5 పార్ట్స్ చెప్పమంటున్నాను. మీ హ్యూమన్ బాడీలో, మీ బాడీలో ఏదైనా ఒక 5 పార్ట్స్, ఇవే రాయాలి అదే రాయాలని లేదు. అర్థమైందా? సో వీఆర్ రైటింగ్ వాట్ teacher had selected for you: head, nose, mouth, eyes, leg. Teacher, why we should not write other parts? You can write. If you want to write, you can use, you can select the other 5 parts. Okay, but don't do the mistake. Spell the word and write. Okay, already I had given some parts. No, I had shown on the board. I had drawn the picture and I had explained you. So based on that, you listen that class and listen that spellings and you can write the other 5 names also. Okay. సో నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ ఫాలోయింగ్. ఇదే ఫాలో చేయాలని ఏమొద్దు. మీకు ఏదైనా రాయాలి అనిపిస్తే వేరే పార్ట్స్ కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్. నేమ్ ఎనీ 5 యాక్టివిటీస్. మన కాళ్ళు ఏమేమి యాక్టివిటీస్కి ఉపయోగమవుతుంది? మీ కాళ్ళతోటి ఏమేమి చేస్తారు? హాపింగ్, వాకింగ్, రన్నింగ్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్, జాగింగ్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్, దట్ ఆల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్. సో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు రైట్ దట్ how our legs help us to do the activities. Activities means like whatever the work you can do with the help of your legs. Okay children? సో మీ కాళ్ళతోటి ఏం చేస్తారు? పుట్టిగా కూర్చుంటారా ఒకటే జగలో బొమ్మలాగా? కాదు కదా, నడుస్తారు, దుంకడం కానీ, రన్నింగ్ చేయడం కానీ, జాగింగ్ కానీ, ఇవన్నీ చేస్తారు కదా. యూ కెన్ ప్లే విత్ ద ఫుట్బాల్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? సో దీస్ ఆల్ ద యాక్టివిటీస్. ఈవెన్ యూ కెన్ వాక్, యూ కెన్ క్లైంబ్, యూ కెన్ రన్. ఓకే, వాకింగ్, బ్రిస్క్ వాకింగ్ చేసుకో, స్పీడ్గా వాకింగ్ చేయొచ్చు. మీరు రన్నింగ్ చేస్తారు, ఒక్కసారి హాపింగ్ చేస్తారు ఒక కాళ్ళతోటి, అవునా కదా? ఓకే, సో దీస్ ఆల్ ద యాక్టివిటీస్ యూ క్యాన్ డూ. ఈవెన్ యూ కెన్ సే స్టాండింగ్ ఆల్సో వన్ యాక్టివిటీ. ఓకే, స్టాండింగ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వన్ యాక్టివిటీ. Running is an activity. Walking is an activity. Okay, so these all the activities. So you can write any 5 activities that our legs help us to do. Okay children, now get ready for the answer. Okay, now get ready. Please. Okay, now listen children. Jump, J-U-M-P, jump. Hop, H-O-P, hop. Next one, kick. You can do the kicking. Okay, next one is climb. You can do with the help of leg, you can go for climbing. Okay children, jump, hop, kick, climb or run. Is it clear children? So these are the 5 activities. You can do it with the help of legs. Name any 5 activities that our legs help us to do. Jump, hop, kick, climb and run. Okay, so these are the activities. Next question, 4th question. Okay, get ready. Okay, okay, 4th question. How many genders are there? Yes, how many genders are there in our humans? Okay, how many genders are there in humans? How many genders are there in humans? How many genders are there? So many are there? No, teacher. We have only 2 genders in humans, isn't it? What are they? Male and female. Okay. Come on, say fourth answer. There are 2 genders. There are two genders. There are 2 genders in okay, come on, I will write it here. Let me rub it down. How many genders are there in humans? Ready now? Come on, write now. There are only 2 genders. There are only 2 genders. There are only 2 genders in human. Humans. They are male, female. They are male and female. Male and female. That's it. Okay, enough. There are only 2 genders in humans. They are male and female. How many genders are there in humans? మనుషులో ఎన్ని genders ఉంది? 2. That is male and female. Boy, girl. Yesterday I told you no? Genders అంటే ఏంటి? Boy, girl. వాళ్ళకి ఏమంటాము? Genders అనాలి. Okay. Come on, listen the question. Question మంచిగా వినండి. How many genders are there in humans? There are only 2 genders in humans. They are male and female. Okay, is it clear, children? Now, so please children, this is the oral drilling practice I had given to you. Now you do the same practice, but teacher will send it in the notes, in the message. Through you will get this question answers, everything you will get it through the messages. You copy down from that and write very neat handwriting. Okay, children, is it clear now? So teacher gave how many question answers? 4 question answers. Okay, copy down this and go for the good handwriting in your classwork. Thank you, children. Take care.